Did you know that the humble gherkin, often the unsung hero of the pickle jar, is actually a cucumber in its early stages of growth? Yes, indeed. These small, green, crunchy delights are nothing more than cucumbers harvested before they mature. Now, isn't that something to chew on? Gherkins, or as some prefer to call them, baby cucumbers, are a fantastic addition to any home garden. They're versatile, delicious, and surprisingly easy to grow. But, like any plant, they do require a bit of know-how to cultivate successfully. So where do you begin on this journey of gherkin gardening? Well, the first step is selecting the right variety. Gherkins are not one-size-fits-all, and each variety has its unique traits. For instance, the Parisian pickling cucumber is a classic gherkin variety, known for its small size and excellent flavor. On the other hand, the national pickling cucumber offers a larger, more robust gherkin. Once you've chosen your variety, it's time to consider where to plant. Expert gardeners agree that gherkins thrive in well-drained soil with plenty of sunlight. They also recommend using a trellis or some form of support to help the gherkins grow vertically. This not only saves space, but also keeps the fruits off the ground, reducing the risk of disease and pest infestations. Now you might be wondering when to plant your gherkins. The answer to that is after the last frost. Gherkins adore warmth and will quickly wither in cold temperatures. So, wait until the spring sun is in full swing before you sow your seeds. Watering is another crucial aspect of gherkin cultivation. It's a delicate balance, though. Too little water, and your gherkins will dry out. Too much, and they can become waterlogged and prone to disease. The key is to keep the soil consistently moist, but never soggy. And what about pest control? Well, gherkins, like all cucumbers, can be prone to pests like aphids and cucumber beetles. But don't worry, there are organic methods to keep these pests at bay, such as introducing beneficial insects like ladybugs into your garden. So, there you have it, a simple guide to growing your own gherkins. It might seem a bit daunting at first, but take it from the experts. With a little patience and care, you'll have a flourishing gherkin garden in no time. And think of the satisfaction you'll feel when you bite into your first homegrown gherkin, knowing you nurtured it from a tiny seed to a tangy treat. Why not give it a try? Embark on a gherkin growing adventure. After all, the best time to plant a seed was 20 years ago. The second best time? Today. So go ahead, get your hands dirty, and grow some gherkins. You won't regret it.